Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Carnival Eggs and grow a garden game of Roblox new Carnival update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Carnival update has been dropped in a grow a garden and there is new egg called the Carnival Egg. And if you want to get this egg, you need to join this Carnival event. Go to the event area and you need to have carrot coins to spin this wheel, and each spin needs one carrot coin. And you can talk to this NPC to show you the quest list. Okay, from completing the quest, you will get the carrot coins. For example, I need to harvest 100 corn and then plant 4 mango seeds. And after that, we'll be able to claim our coins and just go to this wheel and you can use the the carrot coins to spin the wheel. And if you're, oh my god, I got 50 carnival eggs. Oh my god. And yeah, that's how you can get carnival eggs and grow a garden carnival update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.